With only 3 tablespoons a day, you will lose belly fat and lower cholesterol. In brief moments, a written explanation. Millions of people are trying to lose fat with diets and instant weight loss programs, which rarely work. A weight loss regime has 2 important tasks: eating a healthy diet and burning calories with physical activity. However, you should know that nature can help you burn fat as well. For example, garlic is one of the best ingredients that can slim you down in no time. Garlic has incredible health benefits and medicinal properties, which is why it's often used in folk medicine against numerous diseases and conditions. The vegetable can protect your heart and reinforce your immune system, while improving your overall health. Red wine is another natural remedy that can treat numerous ailments, but when combined with garlic, its medicinal properties are significantly stronger. Today we're going to show you a great garlic-based beverage that will clean your blood, reinforce your immune system, and protect your body from diseases. The drink will also accelerate your metabolism and help you burn fat like never before. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1/2 L of red wine, 12 garlic cloves. Preparation: peel and cut the cloves finely, then put them in a glass jar and add the red wine. Next, close the jar and leave it out in the sun for 2 weeks, shaking it occasionally. After 2 weeks, strain the mixture and pour the wine in a dark glass bottle. Consume a teaspoon of the remedy 3 times a day for a month, and repeat the process after 6 months. Garlic is a powerful antibacterial agent that can treat and prevent infections and improve your body's resistance. The amazing remedy we presented will prevent cardiovascular diseases and lower your cholesterol levels. Garlic will also dilate your blood vessels and effectively reduce your high blood pressure. Red wine will keep your body healthy and in perfect shape. But if you don't enjoy alcohol, make a mixture of garlic and water. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.